Hello everyone, welcome to the series of tips and tricks on monday.com. I am Rehan, certified Monday expert. Today we are going to deep dive into the world of conditional coloring, a powerful feature in monday.com that can supercharge your workflows. So head over to your board and then you see here three dots, click on that and then click on that, the conditional coloring. We are going to give color to this column. If it is done late, it's red. If it is done on time, then it would be green. If you click on that, select the green color, and when completion status is done on time, add one more condition, red, and when completion status is done late, save as a new view. Now you can see here done late in red color and done on time in green color. It's that pretty simple. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please ask in comments.